Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you how to do my Valentine's Day makeup. First, wrap your hair and keep those baby hairs protected. So first we're going to do the eyebrows. I really need to get mine done. I've been slacking. So I've been using NYX Eyebrow Control. I get it from Walgreens. It's only like $3. It works fairly well. It's better than Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm going to clean them up a bit. Next, I'm going to fill in my brows with Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. I use feather-like motions just to fill my brows in lightly. I do not like them too dark. I like them to look as realistic as possible. So I'm just filling them in a little bit more. Sorry, I need my eyebrows to be perfect so I can get those compliments. Okay, they need to be on fleek. Sorry, you guys, I need them to be perfect. So when I'm done filling them out, I use Nars and Caramel. It's a very good concealer, probably the best concealer I've ever owned. And I'm gonna clean up underneath and above my brows with this Nars concealer. Also, I like to spread it all on my lid so I don't have to prime my lid later when I do my shadow. I also like to do the top of my eyebrow just to make sure my eyebrows look perfect. I know some people don't do the top, but I have to do mine. Like, my eyebrows need to be perfect. They can't be semi-perfect. I need them absolutely stunning. It's looking good so far. So next I'm just going to take a little blender sponge and blend that all out. As you can see, this concealer blends so well with my skin. It almost melts into my face. So next we're doing eyeshadow. I'm using the Lolita palette by Kat Von D. I love these purples and pinks. They're very pigmented. It makes a great palette. I'm also using a second palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. This is my ultimate favorite palette. I love it. It's the only palette that I buy from Ulta, and the only palette I will ever use because you know I love browns and orange and gold. Those are like my go-to colors for eyeshadow. So I'm going to use these two browns from the Jaclyn Hill. I'll put the description at the bottom so you guys know exactly the names that I use. I'll put this on the outer lid. Be sure to use circular motions so everything blends together in the end. Next, I'm using Lolita in the Lolita palette, the darker purple, putting that on my upper lid as well and buff that out until it blends perfectly on both eyelids. Then I'm using the second purple next to Lolita and putting that as my lid as well. This color is looking great and smoky. So next I'm using pink and it's called Besitos. Besitos, Besitos, kisses, Spanish, love it. Putting that on my lower lid all over and buffing that out as well and blending it to a T. Next, I'm using Laura Mercier's Indiscretion highlighter on my lids. I'm going to put that all over till it's packed with glitter and shine. So I'm trying to pack that color in on my lid. It's looking cute. Next, I'm going to go with the darkest purple in the palette and mix it with Besitos and do the outer part of my eye, just to give it more of a smokier, sexy vibe. Next, I'm using Falsies by Mabeline. Put on my eyelashes. I love this mascara. You don't have to go all out and buy any expensive mascara from Ulta. So this is a good drugstore mascara. Cute. So next, getting onto the face, I'm putting on some primer for our Smashbox. This stick primer is made for oily skin. It's a matte primer. I love it. Then we're going to use Air Flash by Dior. This is one of my top foundations. It's actually more of a spray-on foundation, like airbrush look finish. But I don't like to spray it on my face because it gets to my baby hairs, and I can't be getting makeup in my baby hairs. So I put it on my flat brush, and I buff it out on my face. I love this foundation. It like smooths out my skin. It looks perfect. It actually blends great. So we're done with that. We're gonna put on LA Pro Girls concealer in Toast to contour my face. Contour the nose really well. I need my nose to be straight and skinny. And then we're going to take a small brush and buff that all out. Cute. Love it. So now we're going to take the concealer by Nars again, and we're going to contour under my eyes, above my lip, under my lip, nose, and forehead. So we're taking our Blender Beauty sponge to just blend that all out over your face. Cute. Now I'm using Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder just to set my face and let it bake for a couple minutes. It's the only setting powder that I use. I try to use other ones or try to get other ones to try them out, but this is probably the best that I can get at the moment. So we're gonna let that bake for a second. Don't mind me, I'm a clown. And there's music playing in the background per usual. So I'm going to use a Real Technique brush and just buff out all the excess powder. And then we're going to use a Stila eyeliner and do a small winged liner. When I do my eyeliner, I start from the inside of my eye, try to perfect the line, and then do the outer and the far inner eye. Next, I'm going to use Ardell's Wispy eyelashes, and I'm going to put some glue on them, wait till they get tacky, and then put them on. I am going to do a tutorial about how to put eyelashes on. A lot of people have asked me how to do it. I'll do a beginner's video this week. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna spray some rose water on my face just to set the makeup I already have on. Let it dry, fan it out really fast. Next, I'm using MAC's lip conditioner. My lips are dry, honey. It is cold outside. My lips are cracking, popping, pop locking, dropping. They are just crusty, I'm not gonna lie. So let me get them together so I can get them fine and ready for my man. So next I'm gonna use Elizabeth Arden's bronzer, and I'm just gonna put some bronzer on my high cheekbones really fast. And then I'm going to use a pink blush called Flirt by MAC and put them on my cheeks. Then I'm going to use the same highlighter I used on my eyelashes by Laura Mercier and put them all on my nose and my high cheekbones for a cute highlight. So next I'm going to use a MAC lipstick called Yash. I'm going to put that all over my lips. And then I'm going to line it with NYX Matte Truffle Liner. I love this liner. It's super cheap. Get it from Walgreens, anywhere that sells NYX. And I'm gonna set my lipstick with a clear Juicy Tube by Lancome. I love these Juicy Tubes. They're perfect for a clear gloss. And there we have it, a hot, sexy Valentine's look. So go get your man, girl, or go make your man happy. Have a great day. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.